Hi, welcome back to my English channel. Today we are gonna learn about 5 phrasal verbs with put. Before we get started, please hit that red subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my new videos. Okay, let's kick off. 1. Put on, which means dress oneself. An example, she put on her best outfit at the party last night, meaning she dressed in her best outfit at the party last night. Or you may say, she wore her best outfit at the party last night. 2. Put up. The phrasal verb put up has 2 meanings. The first one is to erect something. The second one is to display a notice or sign or poster. Here I have 2 examples. The first one is we put up our tent not far away from the campfire, meaning we erected or built our tent not far away from the campfire. The second example is the government has put up posters of COVID-19 vaccines to inform people the importance of being vaccinated, meaning the government has displayed posters of COVID-19 vaccines to inform people the importance of being vaccinated. 3. Put off, which means to postpone something. An example, they had to put off the football match because of the bad weather, which means they had to postpone the football match because of the bad weather. 4. Put aside. This phrasal verb also has more than one meaning. The first meaning is to save money for future use. The second one is to disregard something. Here I've got 2 examples. The first one is we've been putting aside some money for our vacation, which means we've been saving some money for our vacation. The second example is let's put aside our problems and chill out, which means let's ignore or disregard our problems and chill out. 5. Put across. This is the last phrasal verb, which means to communicate something effectively. An example, Bill decided to put across his long-thought ideas at the meeting this morning, which means Bill decided to communicate or to express his long-thought ideas at the meeting this morning. Well, that's the end of today's lesson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video here on my YouTube channel. Goodbye!